Hi children, welcome to e-class. After completing of the third lesson, rain, we know everything we were discussed. How does rain comes from where, and sources of the water, and what is the use of the water in our daily life. Everything we were discussed very detailed in the lesson. Rain, of course, water cycle also. So children, we know the characteristics of living beings or living things. Certain characteristics are very required in our life. As a living being, if I am a living being, I need a growth is a required, food is a required, or movement is a required, or breathing, respiratory. So among that, food. Food we were discussed in the first lesson, our food. In that food, we were discussed about different kinds of or variety of the food we were discussed. Am I clear? So children, here I would like to say about animals. All the animals, the variety of the animals in the world once we'll see. There are a wide variety of animals in the living world, and they too eat a wide variety of food items. Let's see how animals eat their food. This is our concept. This is our lesson about what do animals eat. Very interesting topic. See, whatever we were studied like food or playing with magnets or rain, where does it comes from? So these three lessons also, whatever we completed, very interesting. Of course, this is also very amazing lesson to get some interest. Let's see what do animals eat. So this is very important. Children, before we are going to start, just to see, some of the people are having some pet animals. You know what is a pet animal? Pet animal is a domestic which are help in our daily life, and it is useful directly or indirectly also. For example, a pet animal, a dog. We know most of the people are love the dog because it's a gives very effective whenever we come from outside or any strange people come, immediately it recognize, then it will not allow. So that is the main reason, and it comes to us and it will be like our child. It's like our family members whenever we say about pet animals. Am I clear? So pet animals like a dog. So when we see the dog, where if any people like strange people comes, it will not allow unless our rules. It's like what we eat in a daily, and it takes a bath. Am I clear? And we used to give some injections also, protected from the germs or from the infection. So we know those who are the loving of the animals. So they have the veterinary doctors. So taking care of animals. There are some doctors also are there. As like they are also having the feelings. Some of the animals used to cry. Am I clear? Yes. Let's see, in the living creature has given to everybody all the activities. For example, we cannot fly, but we can walk. We cannot run very fast like other animals like a cheetah, but we can walk or we can move like a normal way. Compared to one animal to another animal, entire different. Any, see, for example, beak is there. Where we can see beak in the birds, we cannot see in the human being. We cannot see any animal. We can see wings only in the birds. We cannot see other animals because the wings are help to the fly. Or let's see in the cheetah or tiger or lion. This kind of the wild animals are very cruel. They're very dangerous because they hunt us. They eat flesh. Later I will discuss classification of the food habit of the animals. Later I will explain. So they move very fast. We can't move like such animals. We can't compare. So each animal they have their individual, the variety of their life. Or if you take a snake, like we have limbs are there. We have 4 limbs are there. Do you find any limb in the snake? Or earthworms or leaves? That are called invertebrates. That also I will tell you later. So we can't see amazing of the creature features are entirely different from animal to animal. But all the animals are needing food. That is a common thing. Am I clear, children? So the food is a very, very important. Whether the animal is a small or big or medium or whatever it may be, food is a very, very essential for all the animals come. Even plants also require the food. Without food, no living creature cannot live. That we know. We were discussed characteristics of the living beings or living beings. So food is a very, very important. For example, we are the best example. We can prepare our food. We can cook our food. Is it animals are cooking food? Is it animals are providing the storing the food? No, the majority of the animals will not store their food. They take on the cut. So we call them hunting the food. They hunt the food. They go and they take. They do not have like us to store the food or cook the food. Is it animals are cooking the food? No. Even though they are survived. According to the animal structure, they are having their capacity. So food is a very, very important for all the animals. Nobody is trained in the wild animals, or we can see in the forest or in the forest or jungle, or we cannot train them. But which are the presented in pet animals, we can make them to train. We cannot train them. So this is a very, very important one. See, children, there are a wide variety of animals in the living world. See, wide varieties, more varieties are presented. They too eat a wide variety. So they too eat a wide variety of food. Right? So what kind of the food they are eating, let's we see. Children, we see in our house. So I said about the dog. So dog is a what kind of the food they are making. So we know your parents, your father, especially when they go to the market, they buy some flesh of some non-veg and like bones also, because dogs like so much bones. And they also eat a common food like us when it is in the position of the cookies. They take a milk, and most probably the dog takes a flesh of other animals. Or when we see buffaloes, cow, they used to take only the grass. We know only the plant, the grass only eat, whether that is a hay grass or normal green grass also. So not only this both, when we see the variety of the animals in our surrounding, we observe. Please today you just observe and write down what kind of the food they are having. Tomorrow you have to note down that and please send to me. You can observe with, it's not in the textbook. What is the presence in the textbook, we can copy. It's not like. We have to observe. The science always practically we have to see. First we have to prove ourselves by the practical. Then only we have to write in the observation. So first let's we go for the practical. Observe whatever presence in your surrounding, especially in a village we can find many animals, but whereas in our towns or cities, we can see only few like hens we can see, crow we can see, or parrot we can see, or sometimes cow, buffaloes, or dog, cat. These kind of the animals we can found and note down whatever food items they are taking and which organs are using to take food. Understand? So please do that. Am I clear? So children, okay children, let's see very amazing factors which we do not know in the earlier. So whether you believe or not, about 5,400 species of the animals are presented in the nature. Am I clear? Once again I say about 5,400 species. What are these species? So the species are the, for example, we are the one kind of the species. Birds are the one kind of the species. In the birds, in the variety of the species are there. And in the animals, the different kind of the species, the families like us. So the almost 5,400 species of the presented in the world or the nature. Am I clear? So I would like to say about in the largest animal, we know, and many people we see in the Discovery channels or plants or animals channels also. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. We can measure 100 feet of the measure, or we can say the 30 meters. Am I clear? So largest animal, blue whale, 100 feet or 30 feet. And the smallest animal in the world, we can catch that. Only that is a millimeters only. That is a Etruscan screw. So Etruscan screw is the 36 to 53 millimeters only. Very small animal, isn't it? So these two are the very important. Please write down. And I said your task, tomorrow's task is you have to write down variety of the presented your surrounding animals, what kind of the food they are eating and what kind of the organs are using. Then we'll discuss continuously what classification of their food habits. Am I clear? So everybody should just observe. Don't go here and there because this is a very dangerous situation, pandemic. We know that corona is presented. So no more you are going anywhere. You just observe from your house. Or when you see in the villages, no, we can see commonly many buffaloes will go from this side, or many dogs or donkeys, or crows or hens or birds we can found. So just observe from your house and write down, and please send whatever. Otherwise, when you come back to the school, I will see you write down in the notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.